Gypsy Man. And I don't know why, but for some reason I got this M4. And I really don't know what to do with it because I don't like shooting shotgun, but can shoot shotgun very well. But I had to show you this shotgun because this is a special edition, special LE edition, and a partner of mine let me hold on to, and I'm gonna have to shoot it, and because you can't have it and not shoot it. It has the retractable and butt stop. I mean, it has all these bells and whistles that we'll deal with a little bit later. It has the ghost ring sights on it. It got Picatinny, rail. It got the M-lock rail. It got everything. This thing is extended tube. It has everything. This thing is nasty. I just don't know what to do with it. I've shot M4 before, and I enjoyed it. I like shooting buck. I do not like shooting slugs. I'll tell you straight up, you can keep your slugs. I don't want to shoot it. It's a good shoot. It's a softer shoot than something like my pump action. And if you just look at the cerakote, they did a great job on cerakote. I know these come in black, but this thing is just something else. And it works good. And it's a Benelli. Who wouldn't want a Benelli? You don't even see these inside of most gun stores. They won't carry them, because I guess people don't want to spend that much on a shotgun, automatic shotgun, semi-automatic. But you got the pistol grip, of course. I think I prefer shooting without the pistol grip, just using the stock. That's why I like to shoot shotguns. But it'll work either way. My experiences with the pistol grip. I like the retractable, adjustable butt stop. That's nice. It's like operates like butter. If you want to do quad loads, doubles, like compared to my little cheap Stevenson, this thing is this is butter. I'm not gonna lie to you. You get what you pay for them, and it's sexy. Italians make everything sexy. It's nice. If you want to put whatever accessories on there, they make it real easy for you with all these different options. You can put an optic on it, but I don't see why you would need an optic on a shotgun, especially when it comes with ghost rings. And I like ghost rings, so ghost ring sights. So that would probably be the way I would keep it if it were mine. Put a flashlight on it. It does have some weight on it. Like when I compare this to something that if I wanted to semi and start shooting shotgun, I would probably go with the Beretta 1301, because when I picked that up, it was very comfortable. It comes with the pistol grip, or it comes with just the stock, and it's very light, super light compared to this one. This one does have some weight on it, but this one is made tough. You know what I mean? This was made for the military. This is made for LE. This is made for hardcore use. And I haven't seen anything that's more superior when it comes to cycling. It'll shoot everything and it keeps going. I haven't seen too many of these break. And I think that if you're going to put that much work into a shotgun and you're going to use it for what it's intended for, of course I would go with the Benelli over the Beretta. I think you can get more rounds through this, definitely, from what my research is, before you'll start having some failures. So it's a Benelli. It's top notch. And you see a lot of clones out there. I wouldn't even bother. Just save your money and get yourself the real thing and have it if you shoot shotgun. Me, I'm a pistol guy. You know what I mean? I'm a pistol guy. I'm gonna shoot a few rounds through this. I'm gonna have a little bit of fun with it, but I'm not gonna do too much with it because I don't enjoy the work that it puts on your shoulder when I shoot shotgun. But this one is supposed to handle the whole recoil a lot better than most because of the system that it fires with. It's supposed to absorb a little bit better, but it's still a shotgun to me. So I'm gonna get a few rounds to it, then I'm gonna hand it back to his owner, and he can take it on away. But I wanted to just show you If anybody's considering it, something like this, they don't sponsor me, so I'm not going to talk about that. You make your own mind up. But if I had to buy an automatic shotgun, I personally would get the Beretta. But if I had the money to burn and I liked to have the best of the best, I would definitely go with this Beretta M4. So I just wanted to do a quick little show and tell of this thing, and you know, I hope you enjoy. It ain't much to it. It's a shotgun. You know, it's going to work, and it's Benelli, so you know it's definitely going to work. So, Gypsy Man, and I'm out.